Have you ever been creating a SOLIDWORKS Composer BOM and extra parts keep getting added? To get my BOM correct, I will show all of my parts minus the hardware. That makes the BOM correct but shows all the other parts that I don't want. To get rid of them, I'm going to select them and I'm going to turn the opacity down to 0. That means that they are still ticked on the visibility option but now can't be seen. I can now move between views and they will stay as I've saved them. All sorted. I was recently doing this project where I created the parts list that had 23 items all listed out nicely. For this BOM, I wanted to show one instance of each part and not have any fasteners. I had another view that had the fasteners separately, and I also had the other view with the BOM that included both the fasteners and the parts. My problem was the view that didn't show everything only had quantity of 1, and I knew it should have more. If you look at the BOM tab, you may notice there's a grayed out option for show visible actors only. Well, that's my problem. The hidden actors aren't appearing in my BOM. Perfect, I'll turn it off. This, however, is grayed out. And this is why the option is grayed out. It is a legacy option and should never be turned off.